Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something a little different. That's why I'm in a little different area of my house. I'm in my bathroom, but I'm going to be showing you how I decorated it pretty much from scratch, just because I don't really have any decorations in here just yet because we moved in November, and I know it's been kind of a while, but especially with this quarantine going on, I haven't really been able to get much done. But I got a couple of frames and a couple of pieces to put in here that are gonna look really cute and add so much color to the bathroom. But the more exciting part is I bought a bunch on Amazon, a bunch of little organizational things for my drawers and my cabinets that I'm super excited to organize. If you know me, I'm like obsessed with organizations, so I'm really excited to be able to show you how I organized this, which I haven't started yet, but I'm really excited with how it's gonna turn out and show you actually how I organize, how I keep everything organized. So I hope that's really helpful, and I'm super excited to show you. So let's get into the video. So this is my bathroom right now. Honestly, there isn't much to it. It's very bland, no color. I just have this little trash can, no rug. I have this toilet paper and wipey thing right there with no organizational purpose to it. But my plan is to actually make the bottom drawer of these three little drawers be where I put like my pads and etc. with like the toilet paper and the wipies there. So I think that'll be like a lot more organized and it won't show, and then I can actually put something there on top of my toilet to be like cuter. And all I have is this little scrunchy thing, which I don't really want to display this anymore. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to put this inside like my cabinets or something, but we'll see. And then the soap, and I'm gonna try to put that in a drawer. Let me actually show you what's in each drawer. This is just like where I put the things I used to like wash my face and like a couple of hair scrunchies and stuff. But honestly, I bought these little organizational thingies that separate the drawer really cool. So I'm gonna be like kind of redoing this drawer, even though it's not too bad. This is where my makeup is, which honestly I think I'm gonna leave it the same, just like kind of touch it up a little and just put everything where it goes. And then here I have my hair things, but again I want to try putting the toilet paper and things in here. And then in here I have everything. In here is pretty organized, but the problem in here is that I feel like the space can be utilized so much more efficiently. So I bought two little things with drawers, and I'm going to see how I can organize that the best to my abilities. Okay guys, so it's empty. I'm gonna go get the little drawers so we can build it and see if they fit. I measured it, so I think they're good. Okay, let's build.
Downtown we let it go, sunset high and our bodies low, blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones, loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it, won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown we let it go, sunset.
Look how perfect it looks, you guys. I'll link it down below. They're actually super easy to build, and the drawers come out all the way so they don't stop or anything, and they're super nice. I really like them, and I think that it's gonna look a lot more clean. And it also utilizes the vertical space as well, so that's what I was looking for. Really important tip that I'm gonna put out there if you're following along and getting inspired by this video is to get rid of as much as you can that you do not use. Like if you don't see yourself using it, do not keep it, just throw it away. It's gonna keep your life so much easier. Sometimes I find things and I'm like, I've literally never used this, why do I have this? And then I give it away. But there's other times where it's harder because you're like, oh no, maybe I'll use it, but keep it like for the next cycle of spring cleaning, at least just one cycle. So if you see through 2 cycles of spring cleaning that you still have it, it's time to go. Make sure that you're getting rid of as much products as you can, especially expired ones and anything that you're not going to be using, and it's going to make your life so much easier, so much less it's also going to, you know what, it's also going to open up the possibility for you to use the products that you never see because there's so much clutter in there. So let's get into it.
Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones, loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? as we get down in a roll below, caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones, wide-eyed to look at me, set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And won't you stop the music, get into it? Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 Stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Down, down, we let go. 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 Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip the beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. We gotta lose it. Downtown, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be. Downtown, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap.
Okay, the filming process of that was a little intense for me, but I tried my best. As you can see, I do go like back and forth a lot, just because like in the moment, like I just think of this side or the other, whatever it may be, and I think of a bunch of options of where everything could go, and it's just a lot. But I think I have, for the most part, the organization part down packed, so let me show you. So I think it looks really, really good. I have this little hook here because I hang my face towel here to dry, but look how organized it looks. This side has hair stuff and then little extra Q-tips and wipes. This side has my iron, and I'll show you everything in detail now. But I really like how it came out. I'm really excited. So let me get into it. Here, I decided to put all my hair scrunchies because I didn't want to put them all on top. And I know I have a lot, do not judge. Up here on the first drawer, we have, it's a little bit heavy because there's a lot of products in here, but this is literally all the hair products I use on a weekly basis for when I wash my hair or my dry shampoo. Here I have all my hair stuff. So I have little hair elastics, my hair ties. I have extra hair ties back here that I don't really use because they're not my hair color, but I have them just in case. And then here I have little clips and bobby pins, and then my brushes. So tip, I tried to have everything that I use the most on this side because this cabinet is really hard to open with this door. And not only that, I also like to have them more towards the top just because no one wants to bend all the way down. Then here, okay, towards the back, these are the little towels that I use to wipe down my counter when it's wet after I wash my face. Those are the extra ones, and I actually have another hook like this on the other cabinet that's behind this door to hang that one. But again, here I have extra Q-tips, extra wipes, the trash bags for my garbage can, and then this is just a little pouch I have for like my pads and tampons when I have my period. So I'm gonna leave that there just if I ever need it. Since I only need it once a month, I think that's perfect. This side, top drawer, literally just has my irons and my clips that I use to separate my hair just for ironing, so that's why they're in there. Here I have, these two drawers are kind of random just because down here under my cabinet I have more things that I don't use as often. So here I have some little extra beauty blenders, and these are just things that this is something that I use to wash my face brushes, and this is something for a mask, a little brush. Back here I have travel size things and floss. So it's not super random, but I tried my best. And then down here are products that I don't use as often. So this perfume that I don't use as often, this body scrub, these little extra things that I don't use as often, Nair, and then this is the cleanser that I use just for my makeup brushes. And then in the middle, I decided to have this little thing that you can pull out and put it back in, because of the fact that these are products that I use very often and I didn't want them to be laying down sideways. So again, it's literally just my makeup remover. Back there I have some hairspray and gel, but I wanted to put it in here, but it didn't fit. So I just put it there, but I have my makeup remover, my mouthwash, and my cream. And moving on to the top, I don't know if I already said this, but I have scrunchies. And then these are the towels that I use to dry my face when I wash it, and back there I have an extra towel. So this is a finished look. I think it looks really organized. I love it. I was able to do this drawer. I put in these 2 things. At first I wanted to put 3, but I felt like it was like way too cluttered. So over here I have all my toothpaste, toothbrushes, floss, my retainer, and my deodorant, because I don't know, I know it's bothering me a little bit that this doesn't really go along with the whole tooth vibe. But honestly, there's no other like deodorant vibe, so I'm just put it there because it fits so perfectly standing up. Okay, so middle section I have my face wash, don't mind all my lip balms. I'm trying to find one that works. But I have my moisturizer, my sunscreen, my toner, and I moved this little thing inside my drawer like I wanted to. And this is for my face, when I wash my face, so that I don't want my hair. My nail oil, which honestly I recommend this nail oil to anyone. It's amazing. Literally saves your nails from getting the little wrinkles from your bed when you painted them, and it's super good for your cuticles. And then I have 2 of my perfumes here. So I'm honestly really liking how this drawer came out. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. This drawer looks exactly the same because I just organized it, but it was already perfect. I really liked how it was very functional. And then this is one of my favorite drawers, just because look how convenient. I don't have to like prepare anything before from getting it in the cabinet. It's literally all here from when I'm using the bathroom. Everything I need is here: wipes, pads, toilet paper. And I just love the idea of having it right there, and it looks amazingly organized, so that's a plus. Any products that you want to find or want to get because I use them, they're all going to be linked in the description. And make sure to measure, because I measured mine before and it fit perfect. So I'm super happy that I measured, because if not, it would have been a fail. Now I'm going to be moving on to the decoration, which I'm super excited for. I've literally been waiting like a week to put up my frames just for this video. But I'm going to show you guys what I did for the frames and how I'm going to hang them up and stuff. So I actually got these frames from Target, and then the print I purchased off of Etsy, like a digital version of it. And what you do is you just go and get it printed at like Walgreens, Shutterfly, or whatever it is. But I actually found out that Walmart prints out like posters, and it was literally $5. So it's so much cheaper than everywhere else. So look how cute it came out. This is like a super affordable option to get prints.
But don't block the camera though. Wait, I'm gonna be in your video?
Yeah, stop.
Count 1, 2, 3. Won't you slide the music right into it? Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between.
Don't tell Karina, but I love her.
Give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name.
Okay guys, so I got my frames up, which took a lot of effort and measuring. And then I got my rug and my new trash. So the color is coming along, and now I'm just missing the top of my sink. So let's go. I'm sweating. I thought this was gonna be so quick, but you know, with organizing, it never is. But I finished. I'm super excited to show you. Pretty much here, I tried to make it the cheapest possible way that I could redecorate in a sense and add color, and I'm really happy with the result. I think that I added a lot of color and dimension to the room. So pretty much I got that at Target, that at Target, that at Target, and I actually got that at the dollar store. And the candles, the Bath and Body Works candle, I already explained where I got the frames, so if you want me to link the exact prints that I got, I can do that for you. But I just hung them up with command hooks. And yeah, pretty much this is the final product. I'm really excited with my organization here. I think it looks so awesome. I love this first drawer. I just feel like it's so organized and I have everything I need right where I need it.
As we get down in the road below, caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones, wide-eyed you look at me, set on fire until the dream, spin around even feel.
Well guys, look, I'm here in my new background. I'm super excited with how it came out. I think it's really cute and it adds a lot of color to the room. Again, super affordable way to just add a little bit of spice to a room. I'm not like an expert or anything, but I literally found all of these things on Target or Etsy or wherever else. I literally think I got everything from, I could say, Target, the dollar store, Etsy, and then I printed out the prints at Walmart. But other than that, everything else was just Amazon for organization, the organizational things that I bought. But I'm super excited to pretty much have everything so organized and ready to use and so readily accessible at all times, literally right there, everything super organized, which honestly everything that I have is usually all organized anyway, so it's not like a major change. But I just really like how everything is a lot more convenient and accessible, effective. So again, if you need any tips, anything that I did that you have questions on, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next week.
As we get down in the road below, caught up in